Yo, what is going on? What I want to talk about with you guys pretty much heard it a lot, is the four types of way money is made in the world, right? The four cash way quadrant. But how I want to break it down, the top three ways how money is actually made in the world. And the first one is actually going to be a high paying job. Now, unfortunately, it's sad to say, not a lot of people will actually reach this level based on one, schooling. A lot of people, you know, like myself, didn't want to spend a lot of time in school, right? That's whether you're going to be a doctor or a lawyer, right? Yes, you have that high income, but now you also have a high level of work. You're working 60 hours a week, so there's no really fulfillment in enjoying life. But also now too, thinking about the debt side of school, you're spending so much time building up debt that you probably won't even be able to pay off. Now the second one that I want to talk about, and it's one that I actually found a passion in going to, is learning a skill. Right now, learning a skill, your income is based on actually how well you do. And with this, I've gone into the stock market, the currency market, cryptocurrencies that a lot of you are learning about. And now I've been able to now apply my energy, efforts, and money working for me to actually now gain more capital income. And the last one I actually want to talk about is gaining a trade. Now, trade is pretty much old school, but how I see the world is thing goes in cycles, right? So it always comes back to now being new. Now with the trade, you can become a barber, electrician, or even carpenter. And now what I say is learn the ins and outs of the business, learn how they actually flow. So once you gain the skill set of it, but the knowledge of how to create your own business, you can go out there, teach people how to gain now their own trade and employ them and have your own business. So now people are working for you, and now you're on the other side of having a business and people doing what you want to do. All right, but make sure you guys like, subscribe. I got more coming for you guys, but stay tuned. We're out.